So why learn about design thinking? Design thinking is a great process to have at your disposal because it works really well for all sizes of companies, both brand new startups to large conglomerates that have been around for hundreds of years. The reason it does this, the reason it's so good, is that it's a human-centered design practice. So we start by empathizing with our customer and then define the problem that we want to solve for them, and not just the problem we want to solve for the user, but also define that user. Then we bring that information in and we ideate on solutions. And then, of course, we go through the process of prototyping and testing, and it becomes an iterative process where we can rapidly learn how to ideate, prototype, and test for the user that we now already understand. And one of the best ways to learn about design thinking is hands-on. And that's what I'm going to do at my workshop on February 20th in Everett, Washington, is take you through the entire process from empathizing with a user to defining that user and their problems, and then the ideation, prototyping, and testing. And you will leave the workshop with real tools you'll be able to put to use right away, no matter the size of your company and no matter what you do, whether it's product-based or service-based. Design thinking works for both of those. So come join me in Everett at the lab at Everett, part of the Northwest Innovation Resource Center. It'll be February 20th. It's a half-day workshop, and we're going to have lots of fun. Find more information at workshops.soapboxrocket.com. Thank you.